Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Industry channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about our high pressure grinding rollers. As you can see, this is our high pressure grinding roller. The productivity is 300 tons per hour. And for the structure, you can see this is the motor, this is the planetary reducers, and then you can see this is the high pressure grinding roller. The blue one is the oil cylinder that gives the constant pressure to the grinding roller. And then one thing special about this one, the grinding roller, the surface is welded surface. It's not stud surface, but welded surface. And then you can see the motor connects to the universal joint couplings. And then the joint couplings connect to the planetary reducers. And then connect to the grinding rollers and then making raw material to crush in between the rollers. So yeah, thank you guys. I will introduce the other part of our cement production line.